Oh, hello, we can move.
Go away, go away, go away. Are you scared?
Are you okay?
هذا ليفل 1 منيح ما رحنا اعلى
Okay, safety first. Don't leave behind.
Do this too.
This is not fit on me. This is too big. Okay. And the helmet.
On sera l'équipe jaune.
Don't fall yourself in the water. So this is it. It's a rafting. Rafting, baby. Okay. Here we go. Hello guys. So now I'm all set with the helmet on, with the life jacket on, and we are going to do a rafting, baby, here in Phuket. No, not in Phuket, but in Phang. I'm not sure if it's the island Phang, but it's really far. It's in the jungle, and there is the river, so it should be a big waves of water flows, and there's quite also a lot of people down there. So everyone is waiting. I don't know what they're waiting. Hi.สวัสดีค่ะ
โอเคสวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Gorishai Rafting. My name is Khadija.
Khadija.
Yes. My name is. So you please remember my name because today I am your guide. So my friend, next I will take you to do the rafting. When we do rafting, that I telling you before, we not allowed to put the shoes on. Only wear the shoe that you can put it on you. So for the another kind of shoe like Crocs, flip-flop, slipper, keen, sandal, sneaker. No, you must to take off and leave in this basket. Don't leave shoes, don't leave anything here. We are not coming back here. If you leave anything here, you may lose it. Keep in my basket. I take care for you and bring it to the finish point after you done your rafting. Okay? One boat is can carry passenger maximum 5 person. Maximum 5 person. How to sit? Very easy. We start from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To eat for the balance. But if you have 5, number 5 have to sit here in the middle for balance, okay? And then we also have staff to go with you, take care for you, and control for the direction. No, I mean the paddleman in the same boat with you. Today you not go alone. We have staff in the same boat for you, okay?
Okay.
When you are sitting on the boat, this is your seat. You must to sit here, okay? You not come to sit here like this. No, here no. And even you falling down when the boat bumpy like you have to come back to sit here immediately. Okay, you have to come back to sit here immediately for balance board. Because why? Because if boat lose balance, it may flipping or sail upside down. So my friend, when you are sitting on boat, you see this? It is for you to put the foot in. So that's the reason why I asking you to take off the shoe. Because foot you must to lock with boat all the time. What for? When you lock foot, you see, you're not falling down from the boat. And you can coming back. It means who sit at the side of the boat need to lock foot all the time. But when you lock your foot, you put only this part that's enough for you. Like this is okay. Do not put the whole legs like, oh Khadija, I need to lock my foot properly. And like this, no. You know why? When the boat bumpy, your legs may break. Okay? Put only this, that's enough for you. And for the rope here, this is for you to hold it when you are sitting on the boat. Some of the boat have rope around here. You can hold it too, but your hand do not take it out of the boat because your finger may hit with the rope. Okay? If you need to hold the rope here, you take your hand inside, or better you hold the rope from here. And lock the foot like this. When you are going to do rafting, you will be like, when you do rafting, so I mean, lock your foot and hold the rope all the time. Okay? So my friend, in this area, we have rafting with 3 levels. Level 1, 5 kilometers. Everyone already included in your package. Level 3, 7 kilometers. The highlight one. Level 1 and level 2 is together. Level 3, 7 kilometers. The highlight one. The best one is 7 kilometers. And the level 5 is 9 kilometers. The maximum one, the longest one, is 9 kilometers. For everyone today, you have rafting 5 kilometers in your package. This is the rafting level 1. For rafting level 1, the way to go is like this. It's a gentle one, like a beginning level. When you are on rafting level 1, look at me, I show you, my friend. This is level 1. You will be like, because why? Level 1 is gentle level. It's gentle level. If you think, oh, Khadija, level 1 not fun enough. We need more fun, more exciting. My friend, you can upgrade your rafting from the level 1 5 kilometers to be the level 3 7 kilometers or to the level 5 9 kilometers. And the way to go is more challenge. Can you imagine what you will be when you are on rafting level 3 and 5? Can you? Let's Khadija show you, my friend. Oh my God. What you will be when you are on rafting level 3 and 5? Look at me. You will be like, level 1 5 kilometers to be level 3 7 kilometers. The highlight one is 500 baht for one person to upgrade, and from 500 baht for one person, and from level 1 5 kilometers to be the level 5 9 kilometers. The maximum one is 1,000 baht for one person to upgrade. If you want to go, let's talk about it. In case if the boat is upside down, what you need to do? This thing you must to know is very important, everyone. If the boat is south upside down, the first thing you must to do is unlock your foot and trying to go out of the boat. Why? Because when the boat upside down, boat cover on you, you are stuck under the boat. Nobody can come inside to help you. Unlock foot and going out of the boat, please. You need to help yourself first, okay? Later I help you. Unlock foot and go out of the boat, please. Don't worry for you guys. You have life ticket, and we also have the staff in the same boat. They will save you and grab you back to the boat. Only one thing that we're asking from you, in case of accident, to please unlock foot and go out of the boat. Okay? Our company, we're not responsible in any case if your stuff loose or damaged. Telephone, pocket money, diamond ring, diamond necklace, eyeglass, sunglasses. Anything you take with you today for rafting is under your responsibility. If you drop it to the water or lose it or damage from the water, in any case, we're not responsible for you. Are you agree with me?
Yeah.
And if you're not sure, my friend, Khadija have these little bags to keep your stuff. If you need to keep anything, you can keep with me, okay?
Oh, very good.
อนุรักษ์ห้ามันเอาวิดีโอค่ะมั้ง
Vroom vroom to the moon, ocean, ring ring. Oh my God.
Hello, photo.
Oh, วดเป็นแรกแค่ดู
احس عندك مسؤوليه ها والله مسؤوليه
لقمه يا حبيبي
đây
hello nu eleven
راح تشوف competition
ni xe đâu lừa bảo anh này đó anh xe đâu rồi ôi
sorry you are with us
What are we looking?
monkey
Monkey?
really monkey
No. Kuya, gymnast.
Ingat. Ôi.
Kỳ mũ lên Kỳ mũ lên For him now
Give me money.
Okay
Give me money.
Get a bonus here.
Ao leo lão Lúc biết ít rồi đó Cái gì có này lúc biết ít rồi đó Ôi Oh hello we get bro
Go away.
Oh no
هذا ليفل 1 منيح ما رحنا اعلى احنا ما نقدر نوصل ايوه اعطيك اوي
Lão giặt mẹ thằng lắm luôn.
ديروا بالكم شباب
Hello, sit down, sit down, sit down.
عمدة عمدة
Jawa.
والله جوالي شو راح ينتهي بنخبط بالك خلاص نو نيد تو شاور ها Just go on the street.
Hey, that's a wrap, baby. It was so much fun than I expected. It was really nice. I would love to do it more, but then the level 3 is only 2 kilometers away, and it's a bit pricey for the 500 baht each person, and 5 people in a boat.
Are you happy?